These Iberico pork chops are perfectly cooked and absolutely dripping with flavor. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making Iberico pork chop with a roasted pepper sauce with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. We're gonna start by prepping the Iberico full rib rack. We're gonna remove some silver skin and some excess fat. Now you can really see that intramuscular marbling. To really make the flavors come through, we're gonna slice these into individual chops. Look at the thickness of this Iberico chop. This is gonna grill amazingly. We wanna season them on all sides with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass beef boost. Don't forget the edges, and then we can set them aside. It's time to make the roasted pepper sauce. We're gonna cut one red onion into medium-sized pieces. Then we're gonna remove the core from 2 red bell peppers and cut into pieces as well. We're gonna place the veggies in a veggie tray, and then we're gonna add 4 cloves of garlic. Then we wanna set the grill for 560 degrees. When it's hot, we're gonna add the veggie tray. Now we wanna cook this until the veggies are really charred on one side. We wanna remove them from the grill and place the onions and the bell peppers into a mixer. We also wanna add the garlic cloves after we remove the skin. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of really good olive oil. We wanna add a tablespoon of cherry wine. We also wanna add 7 ounces of tomato paste. We wanna season this with 1 tablespoon of sweet Spanish paprika pimenton. You're gonna blend this on high until liquefied. Then we're gonna taste and season with salt. Then we can set aside the sauce. The roasted pepper sauce is now ready, so let's grill up some Iberico pork. We want to place the Iberico chops in the grill. Now we're going to grill them for about 2 minutes until they have a great color and a nice sear. Then we're going to flip them over and grill them for another 2 minutes. Since these are thick pork chops, we also want to flip them over on their edge and grill for a few minutes as well. Now we have a nice sear and a beautiful color on the Iberico chops. So to prevent them from burning, we're going to place them on the elevated rack, and then we're going to lower the temperature on the grill to 300 degrees. Now we're going to slowly finish the cook until they reach an inner temperature of 135 degrees. When ready, you can remove them and let them rest for 5 to 7 minutes. I can't wait to try these because they look amazing. It just melts in your mouth. We're going to place some of the roasted pepper sauce on a plate. Then we want to add one of the pork chops. We're going to squeeze 3 dollops of roasted garlic aioli. And then we're going to season this with some black lava salt. And then it's time to eat. And that is how I make my Iberico pork chops served with roasted pepper sauce. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. That smells pretty good. Oh. So good, so flavorful. All the ingredients really complement each other. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.